In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly use Google AI Studio text-to-speech. To get started, open your browser and go to Google AI Studio. If you searched for it through Google, simply click on the official Google AI Studio result to open the platform. Once you're inside, look for the model selector near the top of the interface and click on the default model. This is important because not every model supports the same features, so you'll want to switch into the right setup before creating speech. From there, click on Audio. This filters your options so you can focus on models that are designed to work with audio generation. Next, choose a model that supports audio. If you don't select an audio-compatible model, the text-to-speech tools may not appear correctly, so this step matters. Once the correct model is active, click on Turn Text into Natural-Sounding Speech to begin creating. You'll then be taken to the speech generation workspace. Start by adding a scene. A scene helps organize your content, especially if you're building something longer or more structured. After that, add a sample context. This gives the system a better idea of the style, tone, or situation you want the speech to fit, which can help improve the final result. Now choose a voice for your first speaker, then type in your script. Try to keep your wording clean and natural, since the voice output usually sounds best when the text reads smoothly out loud. If you want more than one speaker, click on Add Speech block. You can then choose the second speaker voice and type in that speaker's script as well. This is especially useful for conversations, interviews, role plays, or any content that benefits from multiple voices. Once you're satisfied with how many people are included in your content and everything looks the way you want, click Run to generate the audio. That's it. You've now set up Google AI Studio text-to-speech correctly and are ready to create more polished, natural-sounding voice output.